Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you all of my tips and tricks on how I can go 6 days without washing my hair. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get into the video. So I have a lot of video ideas that I want to do, but the videos are really fast and quick videos. And I was talking to my husband about it, and he said I should start a series on my channel, a how to blah 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 series. And I was like, I love that idea. So here we are with video number 1. Today in the how to series, I am going to tell you guys how I go 6 days without washing my hair. I know that this is a big thing and a lot of people do this now, and a lot of people ask, like, how do you go so long without washing your hair? And I thought, you know what, I should just make a video on it. I used to wash my hair every single day. If not every day, definitely every other day I would wash my hair, and that's all I could do. I couldn't go more than a day without washing my hair because it would just be like an oil slick. First, you need to train your hair. I know that sounds weird, but you gotta do it. You gotta train your hair to go a couple days without washes. So you're not going to be able to go from washing your hair every single day to washing your hair every 6th day. It's not going to work. You're going to hate your hair. How I started is I trained it. So I would just skip washes. So if I washed my hair on Monday, I would skip Tuesday and go to Wednesday. In between washes, I would use dry shampoo. I will tell you what I do in between washes, but then the next time I would be like, okay, I washed my hair on Wednesday, I will skip Thursday and Friday, and I'll wash my hair on Saturday. And I kept doing that until I got it down, and I was really satisfied with the way my hair was looking. At first, you guys, I would go 2 days without washing my hair, and I hated it. I felt like I couldn't go anywhere. I would throw my hair up in a pony or in a bun, and it just looked really greasy. I didn't like the way it felt. I felt like it looked horrible, I felt like. I know people that have thin hair might not be able to go like a full 6 days without washing their hair. They might have to wash their hair like every 4 days or 5 days or whatever. But it all depends on your hair. So I would start with, skipping 1 day, then skipping 2 days, and kind of just push it until you get to that point where you're like, yeah, I need to wash my hair at this point. So while you're training your hair, you're gonna want to take care of the oil issue, because your hair is gonna still build up with oil, and you don't want to go around with like really greasy hair. And also your hair will start smelling because it's dirty. Dirty stuff smells. So what I do is I will go and take a shower. When I'm taking a shower, I will pull all of my hair up and put it on the top of my head. And then I don't have it right now because it's getting washed, but I have this like scarf thing that goes over my head, and then I pull it up and I tie it in a knot on top of my head so then none of my hair gets wet in the shower. When I get out of the shower, then that's when I start doing my hair. And what I will do is I will go in with a dry shampoo. I have this one right here. I bought this one just for this video because it is for brunette hair. I actually didn't need to get this one, but I got it. I have a lot of dry shampoos that I like. Dove has like an amazing smell to it. I love the Dove dry shampoos. There's so many out there, but again, you're gonna have to go and try some and see if you like them for yourself, because what works for my hair might not work for your hair. So keep that in mind. That is one thing that I found out as I was going through this process. I was trying a lot of dry shampoos that other people were recommending, and I realized they didn't work for me because my hair type is not like your hair type. You know what I mean? Not everyone's gonna have the same hair type. So there's a lot of good ones from the drugstore. Not Your Mother's, Dove. I can't think of any more other than them too, but I know that there's a lot more. So yeah, pick yourself up a dry shampoo, and then what I do is I will just lift up my hair and like spray it on the roots. I'm not spraying it all like down to the ends here. You're only going to concentrate it on the roots. So I will go and kind of section off my hair like so and spray it, and then I will go in with the next layer up, spray it until it gets to the top, spray it, and then after you get it all sprayed into your hair, you're going to want to work it in, like give yourself a little massage, you know what I mean? After I get it all worked in, then I will go in with a dry conditioner. It looks just like this, but instead of it saying a dry shampoo, it's a dry conditioner. I don't have one. I was searching everywhere this morning for mine and I could not find it. I ran out of mine like 2 days ago and I cannot find it anywhere. I went to Walmart, Walgreens, and Dollar General today. Them are like the 3 stores around me, and there was none, like none. So I think my daughter took mine, but I'm not sure. But I will go in with a dry conditioner, and this time I will not section off my hair like I did with the dry shampoo. I will just like pull my hair to the side, spray only the ends. I'm not gonna spray the top half. I'm only going to concentrate the dry shampoo to the bottom half, and I'm not going to spray a lot. I'm just going to literally pull it to the side and shh, done. And then I will do this side, shh, done. And it just helps to hydrate and kind of condition the ends of your hair, because my ends of my hair really get dry, and when they start getting dry they look really dull and stuff. So I like to hydrate them a little bit, moisturize them, hydrate, moisturize, whatever. After I'm done with that, I will go in with a blow dryer and I will blow dry my hair. Blow drying your hair really helps me out. It just takes away all the powdery filling that you have in your hair from the dry shampoo and conditioner, and it just eliminates all of that, leaving your hair feeling really silky smooth, and it just feels a lot better. So I will then go in with a blow dryer, blow dry my hair, and then brush my hair out. The last thing that I do is I like to have a little bit of a shine to my hair because of all the powders that you're using. It doesn't really like dull down your hair too much, but it will to a point. So since I have really thick, coarse hair, I like to go in with like something to give me a little bit of a shine. Currently, I'm using the Macadamia Healing Oil Spray right here. I feel like you're supposed to use this with heat, possibly, I don't know. But I will take this and I will spray this on my hair. If you spray too much of this, it will leave your hair very, very, very oily. So you do not want a lot of this. I got mine at TJ Maxx for $7.99 and I've had this for a while, you guys, because like I said, you don't need a lot. And if you are heavy-handed and you know you're gonna spray too much in your hair, just spray like your hand, like that. Do you see that? And then rub your hands together and then go through your hair and do it this way. This is a nice trick to do when you know you're going to be too heavy-handed. I will do that sometimes because, girl, I have sprayed this in my hair and I have made my hair look like an oily mess, and that's not fun. So I will go in with this and then we're done. When my hair is not looking the best, usually the 5th or 6th day, I will put it in a ponytail or a bun and kind of just throw it up on the top of my head, kind of make it look messy, like that's what I meant to do type of look. That is everything that I do, from training my hair to the steps that I do between washes. I hope this video helps you guys out, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!